everybody, my name is Miss Jaqueline and I'm from Burnett Elementary, and I will be showing you guys how to do a origami heart. So what you will need is just a sheet of paper and a pair of scissors. And the first thing you're going to do is grab this corner and meet it halfway to where this part is straightened. And you fold it. And then from there, you're going to cut this extra piece so the paper is formed as a square shape instead of a rectangle shape. So when you cut that off, it becomes a square. And so we're going to meet these 2 points and fold them together. Make sure your corners meet. And then from there, you should have 4 triangles. So you're going to make it into a diamond shape. And you're going to make this one meet the middle part and fold from there. And you're going to grab this piece and meet it all the way. Instead of in the middle, you're going to meet it all the way. So you're going to go like that. And you're going to grab this corner and kind of like move it up like that in the center area. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Grab it from here and kind of like move it up, meeting it in the middle. And you guys can kind of see it already looks like a heart, but more like a pointy heart. So for it to look a little bit more like a heart, you're going to turn it around and you're going to grab these little flaps right here and fold them down like this. You're going to do the same thing to the other side. Everything you do to one side, you do to the other. And now it looks more like a heart, but these points right here, you're going to turn it around and kind of fold a little bit and tuck it in. See how that looks compared to this side? You're going to do the same thing. You're going to grab a piece and fold it like this. There you go. That's your origami heart. Thank you for watching.